Title: The Dream of a Hard-Working Father and 6 Daughters. Story: Raju was a poor farmer who had 6 daughters. The villagers said, "Daughters are a burden," but Raju decided to educate his daughters. Waking up at 4 in the morning, खेतों में काम करता, शाम को बच्चियों को खुद पढ़ाता। एक दिन तूफान आया, फसल तबाह हो गई। बेटियों ने कहा, "अब्बा, हम भी काम करेंगी।" सबने मिलकर हैंडीक्राफ्ट बनाना सीखा। इनकी मेहनत देखकर एक ताजिर इनकी products took the city. A year later, Chan started her small business. Today, they are the first girls in the village to be admitted to university. Moral: daughters are not a burden. Give them a chance, and they will fully D. It can change. May. Today, every girl in Raju's village is educated. This is the success story of this hardworking father and his daughters. It will take 30 minutes to read the complete story, including the details of each scene. Private note: if you wish, you can add a scene for each daughter's individual efforts, such as the eldest daughter going to the city to learn marketing, the middle daughter managing online sales, the younger daughters, the other girls in the village, to teach.